Certainly. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition and offer a wide range of health benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. Chia seeds are tiny but densely packed with essential nutrients. They contain fiber for digestion, protein for muscle and tissue repair, healthy fats, omega-3s for heart health, vitamins like B vitamins for energy production, and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium for bone health and more. 2. Weight management. Chia seeds' high fiber content helps control appetite by making you feel full. This can assist in managing your weight by reducing overall calorie intake. 3. Digestive health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds promotes a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation, and supports regular, comfortable bowel movements. 4. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation in blood vessels, and potentially lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. 5. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, which can result in a more gradual and stable rise in blood sugar levels. This is beneficial for people with diabetes or those concerned about blood sugar levels. 6. Bone health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 7. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds contain antioxidants, which are compounds that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. 8. Hydration. When chia seeds absorb water, they form a gel-like substance. This can help with hydration and may be especially useful for athletes and individuals in hot climates. 9. Skin health. The healthy fats in chia seeds can contribute to smoother, healthier skin. They may also help reduce inflammation associated with skin conditions like acne or psoriasis. 10. Brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, found in chia seeds, are essential for brain health. They may improve cognitive function and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 11. Plant-based protein. Chia seeds provide a source of plant-based protein, making them a valuable addition to diets, particularly for vegetarians and vegans who may have limited protein sources. 12. Gluten-free. Chia seeds are naturally gluten-free, which means they are safe for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Before we wrap up, remember that your likes, shares, and subscriptions are what keep this channel going strong. If you found value in what you just watched, give that like button a click and consider sharing it with someone who might enjoy it too. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest content. Thanks for being a part of our community, and until next time, keep learning and keep growing.